Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x80a4001, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to head over to setting, you're going to actually click on the Xbox logo on your controller. You're going to head over to profile and system, and you're going to sign out of your account. Once you sign out, you can sign back in and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. If that does not fix the issue, the second method you guys can try doing is heading over to settings. You're going to go to accounts, and then you're going to go to remove accounts. From remove accounts, what you're basically going to do is just add your account back in. It's similar to the first step, a little bit different though. And you can also check to see if that fixes the issue as well. The third method you guys can try doing is going to general, going to network settings. From network settings, you're going to go down to advanced settings. From advanced settings, what you're going to do is you're going to change the primary and secondary DNS, and you're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Now, once you go ahead and do that, I would recommend testing your network connection, make sure everything's working properly, and you can also turn off your console. But that is up to you. Anyways, yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.